not good. Adidas canceled my order. What's going on, guys? My name's Roscoe. Thank you for tuning into my channel. So it looks like Adidas screwed up yesterday. If you're not aware, they did a pre-order for the black and pink Pharrell Crazy BYW that's releasing actually tomorrow, Friday the 13th, at 10 Eastern, I believe. I don't know what happened, but it looks like someone made a mistake at Adidas. They dropped the ball big time on this. They did a pre-order. It came out of nowhere for the black and, like I said, the black and pink pair here, and it was a mistake. It wasn't supposed to happen. They screwed up. It looks like they canceled everyone's order, which makes sense. I mean, right off the bat, when they do a pre-order for a shoe that supposedly is supposed to be crazy limited, I found it very strange to begin with. I mean, when have they ever did a pre-order for a Pharrell Williams shoe? You know, and I put Pharrell Williams shoes probably above Yeezy shoes as far as, you know how limited they really are. And they did a pre-order for them, which was straight off the bat super strange. But I managed to cop on the pre-order and I got super excited. And then today, you got an email that says, sorry, but your order's been canceled. Which was a super bummer. I don't have a Pharrell Williams shoe, and I was looking forward to this shoe. So, that was a big disappointment. And I know probably a lot of you out there as well probably got that same email. So, it looks like we're going to have to go for it tomorrow at 10 Eastern time and try to cop these. I don't know how successful I'm going to be, since right here is actually the Europe stock levels, the stock numbers for these shoes right here. Not looking too good, right? Not looking too good. So it looks like about what, 375 for the pink pair and about 400 for the black and pink pair. I knew the pink pair was going to be more limited, but I don't know. I mean, this isn't going to look good. How am I going to cop? How are we going to cop this sneaker? That is a question I've been trying to figure out for a very long time on these limited sneakers on Adidas website. I think the bots are going to eat this up super bad. I mean, it's super hard to cop these sneakers to begin with, and for this stock level is just going to be insane. Absolutely going to be insane. I'm going to try, obviously I'll try opening up a few browsers and try to get through. I do have someone on the bot side that's going to try to help me cop as well. I'll put them there. They're legit. Teddy Boost God uses them sometimes, and I've used them in the past. They're very successful. Unfortunately, you got to pay a fee, and for the cost of the fee for this shoe, it was worth it. I mean, they charged me an extra $40 for the shoe. So it came out to be, if I copped, it'd come out to be like $290 if I copped the shoe, which is pretty good deal for how limited and probably how crazy resale value for this shoe is going to be. If you're not aware, the 747 warehouse shoe, which was Friends and Family, which was the yellow and red and green pair, is going for $800 plus. I mean, earlier it was going for like $1,000, but I've seen it drop down a little bit, so it's like right around the $800 range. And those were crazy limited. So I kind of expect this shoe to be $500 plus, easily, absolutely easily. I see that value there. If you want my advice for tomorrow, there's two pretty big hyped up shoes dropping tomorrow, which is like the Pharrell pair and also the Element 87. My suggestion, if you're interested in both shoes, go for the Element 87. You have a better chance probably copying that shoe than you do for the Pharrells. So I would just forget the Pharrells for now, and I would go for the Element 87. That's just my opinion. That's what I think you should do, because there's definitely going to be more pairs for the Element 87. And I don't want you, to try to go for both and then you miss out on both. You know what I mean? So you're better off just picking one and going for one. So if you really want the Pharrells, try to go for the Pharrells. If you really want the Element 87, go for the Element 87. Because I believe both the shoes are dropping at the same time, which is, that's just kind of like a battle, right? It's like they do this all the time. Adidas and Nike, they won't let one company have like the day. You know what I mean? Like they always gotta compete with each other. So it's like, oh, you're dropping a hype shoe there? Oh, we're gonna drop our hype shoe there too as well. Oh, you're gonna drop it at 10 o'clock? We're gonna drop our shoe at 10 o'clock as well. So my suggestion, just pick one, go for one, and I wish you guys good luck, because I think we're all gonna need it tomorrow. If you're, we're all gonna need some luck. So, hey guys, if you do manage to cop a size 12 in the Pharrells, you know where to find me. Just message me in the comments below, and we can maybe work out a deal if you're trying to sell it. So, guys, hook me up. But anyways, and if I do cop, you guys know I'll be probably, celebrating, popping a bottle, going crazy. And you can definitely catch it in my stories on my IG if you guys are interested. So, guys, that's my video for tonight. I wish you guys the best of luck tomorrow, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.